speed the note I made, and MCQs and grand test, all the information also got compiled into my notes.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Jayatree Majumdar for scoring AML 10, CML 13 in DA Medical Oncology Group in NEES April 2026. Congratulations to you.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank
So
you.
great to have you in the session. Thanks for your valuable time to spare with us to share your experiences. And
Yes.
welcome, Doctor. So, can we know a brief background about yourself from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Sir, I did my MBBS from Calcutta National Medical College in Kolkata, and after that, I pursued DNB in internal medicine from Arentagor, Kolkata, and I got through in the internship year. After that, I did my around 8 months non-acad SRship in medical oncology in AIMS Kollani. After that, I got the entrance, and this is the result.
Congratulations. Great accomplishments. Best.
Yes.
Great. So, can we know when you had an idea to do a DA medical oncology, what was, who inspired you, where you got this interest from?
Sir, actually, during my medicine days, especially the critical care posting, I we came across patients of with oncological critical situation, but I felt that I could not participate actively in those patients management because it was very much unknown. The thing which is the manifestation, what is there, is it because of malignancy itself or other normal pathological manifestation, like that I could not make it out. So that created that sparked my a bit of curiosity that it is a subject which is very unknown. So after that, I joined SRship, non-acad SRship, and during working in AIMS Kollani Medical Oncology Department, this actually I got the orientation of the subject. I got the it is a subject of empathy as well as skill. So I overcome how to get over the barriers of emotional situations also, because malignancy is a very initially I felt very emotional, so it was a barrier to me also. So with the guidance of the mentor here, the faculties, I a bit came over it.
Okay, great. So, once you have decided to do so of DA medical oncology, what was your preparation strategy to achieve this rank?
Sir, initially I was a bit confused because some seniors told me to go through the Devita, and the video was there. I took speed for medical oncology, and later I took doctor tutorial also. But after few months, a few days, I strategized that a video will be the initial one that will grow interest in the subject. On the basis the note we I made, and MCQs and grand test, all the information also got compiled into my notes. And apart from that, all the recent guidelines and basics of recent trials, important trials, also should be in the note. So this compiled my notes, and apart from that, uh, the Devita tables and Harrison mock hemat-oncology part is also mandatory.
Excellent. Great. Great. Doctor, can we know what's the message that you want to give for the future aspirants of DA medical oncology?
Yes, sir. It is a branch which is quite unknown. I think unknown to many of internal medicine persons during the MD or DND time, PG time. But if someone has a interest on it, can think of it, and with a bit of determination and curiosity, can do well in this subject, I think.
Great, great. Doctor, time to thank and whom all you wish to thank. You feel that they helped you in your career from day one till date to grow you.
Yes, sir. First of all, Almighty, and then my family, who stood by thick and thin, and my friends and my teachers, including the faculties of AIMS Kolani, who actually grew the interest in my subject,
Okay,
and also the teachers from where I gave got the spark was continued, like the teachers from the speed, Dr. Nishit Sinha sir, and Dr. Shantosh sir, and from faculties of doctorals also.
great. Once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and wonderful and amazing career in DA Medical Oncology as your specialty. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.